Dear students, today we are going to discuss about linear differential equation of order n. An equation of the form d power n into y by dx power n into p1 of x d power n minus 1 into y by dx power n minus 1 plus p2 of x into d power n minus 2 into y by dx power n minus 2 plus and so on. Pn of x into y is equal to q of x, where p1 of x comma p2 of x and so on pn of x and q of x are real, continuous, all are continuous and real valued functions of x is called linear differential equation of order n. So here p1 of x, p2 of x and so on pn of x and q of x are continuous and real valued functions. If suppose p1 of x and p2 of x, if p1 of x and p2 of x and so on pn are continuous real valued functions, let us say an equation of the form d power n into y by dx power n plus p1 of x into d power n minus 1 by dx power n minus 1 plus and so on pn of y is equal to q of x, where p1, p2 and so on pn are real constants and q of x is a continuous function of x is called linear differential equation with constant coefficients. If p1, p2 and so on pn are constants, then it is called linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Today we are going to learn how to find a complementary function of the given differential equation. Suppose if to find complementary function RHS is equal to 0, that means q of x is equal to 0. The equation becomes f of d into y is equal to 0. Now we can write the algebraic equation, that is all auxiliary equation f of m is equal to 0. That is replace d with m. So f of m is equal to 0. Find the roots of f of m is equal to 0. If the roots are real and distinct, c1 into e power m1 of x plus c2 into e power m2 of x plus and so on cn into e power mn of x. Suppose roots are 1 comma 2 comma 3. yc is equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power 2x plus c3 into e power 3x. Suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 are roots, so c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power 2x plus c3 into e power 3x. Suppose first two roots m1 and m1 are two roots are repeated and remaining roots are rest are different. Suppose two roots are repeated, then we can write c1 plus c2x into e power m1x plus c3 into e power m2x plus and so on cn into e power mnx. Suppose two roots are repeated. Suppose 2 comma 2 comma are repeated and 3 comma 4 are distinct roots. So so c1 plus c2x into e power 2x plus c3 into e power 3x plus c4 into e power 4x. For repeated, two roots are repeated, 2 comma 2 are repeated, 3 comma 4 are distinct roots. So then c1 plus c2x into e power 2x plus c3 into e power 3x plus c4 into e power 4x. Suppose 3 roots are repeated here. 3 roots are repeated, m1 comma m1, 3 roots are repeated and remaining roots are distinct. So for 3 roots repeated, c1 plus c2x into e plus c3x square into e power m1 of x plus c4 into e power m4 of x and so on cn into e power mn of x. Suppose 2 comma 2 comma 2, 3 roots are repeated, 3 comma 4 are distinct roots. c1 plus c2x into c3x square into e power 2x plus c4 into e power 3x plus c5 into e power 4x. So in place of m1 of x, m1 we can write 2 here, m4 3 and m5 4. suppose alpha plus or minus I beta are complex roots. So then yc is equal to e power, what is the real part here? Alpha, and beta is the imaginary part. So e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So suppose 2 plus or minus I3. So 2 is the real part and 3 is the imaginary part. So e power 2x c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Suppose 1 plus or minus 2, 1 plus or minus I2. So e power x plus c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Suppose complex roots are repeated roots. Alpha plus or minus I beta, comma alpha plus or minus I beta. So real part is alpha. So e power alpha x into c1 plus c2x into cos beta x plus c3 plus c4x into sin beta x. So here complex roots are repeated roots. c1 plus c2x into cos beta x plus c3 plus c4x into sin beta x. Suppose 2 plus or minus I3, comma 2 plus or minus I3 are repeated roots. So 2 is the real part. So e power 2x into c1 plus c2x into cos 3x plus c3 plus c4x into sin 3x. So for repeated roots we have to apply c1 plus c2x. So 2 times here repeated, so c1 plus c2x. Suppose 3 times it is repeated, c1 plus c2x plus c3x square. 4 times c1 plus c2x plus c3x square plus c3x cube. c2x, c3x square and c4x cube. So like that we can write.